all love pasta and spaghetti meals, especially at dinner when all that fat and carbs just add up pounds and make you feel exhausted. Here's the amazing new kitchen gadget everyone is talking about. The Kitchen Supreme Spiralizer helps you to enjoy healthy meals, crave for more nutritious vegetables, even get your picky children and family members to eat plenty of healthy food in disguise. Turn vegetables into spaghetti fast and easy. Place the zucchini inside the spiralizer and turn. In just a few seconds, your low-carb, gluten-free pasta is ready to garnish and serve. The texture is the same as regular pasta, and the taste is amazing. You can even use squash, carrot, cucumber, sweet potatoes, and many more. The two heat-treated stainless steel blades cut through any vegetable with ease. Now there are two sizes to choose from, and the razor-sharp blades are guaranteed not to rust or lose sharpness in time. Save time and space because the Kitchen Supreme Spiralizer is also dishwasher safe and can easily fit inside any drawer. Vegetable spaghetti has 95% less calories, 90% less carbs, and 0 fat. Diets will never be boring again. Your complete bundle includes 1. The amazing Kitchen Supreme Spiralizer. 2. A beautiful storage bag. 3. The Spiral Slicer Recipe Book. 4. 3-in-1 ceramic vegetable peeler. 5. Custom flexible cleaning brush. 6. Lifetime guarantee. Love our products or your money back. Join the Kitchen Supreme family.
The new Fast Cut Herb Tool from Xylus makes light work of chopping herbs. With 5 high-quality stainless steel cutting wheels, the Fast Cut Herb Tool is great for cutting rosemary, coriander, basil, parsley, tarragon, chives and more. Much quicker than chopping with a knife, this gadget glides through herbs with speed and ease. This compact handheld device features a blade rotation mechanism, allowing the blades to rotate 90 degrees to offer greater versatility when in use. You can either roll the herbs using your palm, or rotate the blades and use the grip function. The soft touch handle ensures comfortable and easy use. Ideal for using herbs as a garnish, or for adding herbs to sauces, or roasted vegetables. A blade cover allows the Fast Cut Herb Tool to be safely stored. And for cleaning, simply remove the top and put in the dishwasher. For effortless herb chopping, use the Fast Cut Herb Tool, another great innovation from Xylus.